My name's Daniel Castagnoli. I'm co-founder of Exodus. I want to talk about who is Captain Crypto? How does he have so many views? I saw his YouTube channel. This guy has thousands of views with very limited content. I had to get the behind the scenes story. So I'm gonna ask him some juicy questions. We're gonna get behind the scenes. Where did this guy come from? How did he make his YouTube channel grow so much in such a limited time? When I saw your guys' videos, I saw something different. You had camera angles, you had, it was scripted. You obviously are well prepared in what you do.
Hey cadets, Captain Crypto here, and welcome to Cryptonauts.
Cryptonauts.
And that's a lot different than normal blockchain videos, which is just somebody in their room. They're just like, hi, I'm gonna talk about the charts today. And that's why I wanted to talk to you about it and figure out, where do you want to go with this? Because I see so many different possibilities, and I'm interested to hear what you guys see, and what do you see as the future of this movement?
So there's two. So Gio has his vision, and I have my vision, and we both kind of work together that way. So for Gio, he wants to create a educational platform.
Do you guys get feedback on your videos when people are watching? They're like, hey, thanks, you really helped me learn about waves or iota, or like that really simplified it down? Is that?
That's everything.
It is?
That's everything. We try to reply to every single comment. At first, we just reply everybody, thanks for watching, personally. But now we can't because
it's so many.
Yeah. What's your story? Like, how did you come up with the idea? Like, because you grew up here, right? You said.
Yeah. So we're in Nebraska, where I asked you to come down, and I grew up here, and I did a lot of creative stuff early on. Like I love creativity. I love design. It's why I thought to reach out to you guys, because you had some design and creativity in your messaging. And Exodus came from my co-founder, JP, and myself. There needed to be somebody that really focused on user experience in a wallet. When Shapeshift, which is an exchange, came out, we thought we should build a wallet on top of that exchange so that people didn't have to go to these exchanges and risk their capital. Because when you keep your capital on an exchange, every day there's a risk that those exchanges can get hacked. So we were trying to do something to help ourselves, really. I was like, I don't want to put my stuff on an exchange. We had to build this platform and this wallet, and really it was just for ourselves.
So it's just you two?
Yeah, it was just us at the beginning, and
so
we were just building it for ourselves, and that's it. People started using the platform, and eventually we just said, hey, we actually got something here. So everything starts out small.